Hey family, thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu I have banana pudding, and here are the ingredients. I have 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I have the bite-sized vanilla wafers, vanilla flavoring. I have about 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2/3 cup of whole milk. I have a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and I have a can of evaporated milk. Now let me show you how to put it together. I thought I'd mention that your ingredients would vary according to the size of banana pudding that you're making. I'm making a really small one today. We're going to break our egg, separating the yolk. I want you to be able to see it. Try to get as much of the white out as you can. I'm going to put the yolk into the cornstarch. I'm going to do that one more time. Put our yolk into the cornstarch. We're going to reserve our yolk, not our yolk, but the whites, for our topping. We're going to add some sugar, and vanilla, and we're going to mix that. See what happens? You mix it together, it thins it out. Make sure you mix it well. And you let it sit for a minute or two and it'll moisten. And this is what we're going to do next. I have a makeshift double boiler, just a bowl on top of a pot with water. And we're going to let it come to a boil, the water. The water is starting to boil. Now we're going to add our milk. Evaporate it. The whole milk. And the heavy whipping cream. Mix it together. And then the cornstarch, the egg, and the sugar. That's what we're going to add. It's our thickening agent and our sweetener. Here, let me get the rest of it out. Thank goodness for spatulas. And now here's where our work comes in. So we'll have to continuously stir. And you don't want to not stir, or stop stirring for too long because you'll get lumps. And that one I don't know how to straighten out, so play it safe and just continue to stir. If you find it's not sweet enough, you know, stick your finger in there and taste it. If it's not sweet enough, add some more sugar. If you find that it's not thick enough or getting thick quick enough for you, you can just take a teaspoon or two of cornstarch in a cup, add some milk, stir, and pour it into your mix. If it's too thick, you can add some milk to thin it out. See how it's thickened up? But you want it to be pudding consistency. So you want it to be a little bit thicker. And continue to taste because you want the raw taste from the cornstarch cooked away. And you want to make sure it's sweet enough. It has enough vanilla. I added a little more vanilla and a little more sugar. So remember to taste, taste, taste. Keep stirring. Okay, I've cooked it until the starchy taste is gone, until I have the flavor that I want. See how it separates? I'm going to add some sour cream. Remember the sour cream I had set aside? And I'm going to add the butter. And then I'm going to cover it with a saran wrap, and I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. I've taken my bananas, as you can see, and I've cut them into little squares. And I've added them to my pudding. So you'll get a banana in every bite. See? You can make it thick, as thin, as sweet as you like. And let's put it together. I've layered the bottom with lots of little cookies, vanilla wafers, and I'm going to add some pudding. If you really love bananas, this is the way to get them in there. If you like less, just slice them. I'm going to add more cookies. Lots if you're a cookie lover. Less if you're not. Bite-sized bananas, bite-sized cookies. The cookies are going to soak the pudding up. Going to be nice and tender and yummy. Get some more bananas over here. And I'm going to put together the meringue. Here are the egg whites in a bowl. Come on. Sorry. I'm going to pause it because it's kind of loud. Okay, I beat the egg whites until they were stiff. And I have my little oven over on broil. I'm going to top my pudding with the egg whites. I'm going to spread it over the top. Oops, get that. And I'm going to stick a few cookies around the side. And then we're going to brown the meringue. I've added, I don't know if I told you, I added some vanilla and some sugar into the meringue while I was mixing. Alrighty. Like this, if you want to decorate it. Make it look kind of cute. And I'm going to do this all the way around, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. And here you are, homemade banana pudding. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I had fun. I hope you did too. And if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember to pray. Pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them, pray for you, pray for us, then pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, friends, be well.